Ooh, 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 ooh. This is how I look, and I know that the looks play hard on you. But do you really look for how I really look inside out? Or you're just out of your mind, not mine, then you're on mine. You're binding by anything that says she looks bad or she looks great. We love 31. Maybe this is not the age of staring at looks, wherever you look, whatever you feel.